Meaning of dumbwaiter.
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 Dumbwaiter. A dumbwaiter is a small elevator used for transporting food, dishes, or other items between floors in a multi-level building. The device typically consists of a box or platform that is suspended from a vertical track and can be raised or lowered using a pulley system. Dumbwaiters were commonly used in restaurants, hotels, and private homes during the 19th and early 20th centuries before being replaced by more modern forms of transportation. Today, they are still occasionally used in some historical buildings or renovated homes as a novelty feature.